Joe, what the hell are you still doing in bed? Don't you want to go get this book?
No, okay, I don't.
You've been ranting and raving about it for weeks, and now you don't want to go?
No, alright, I'm fine here, reading the back of this torch.
That torch only has like one word on it.
Many men have done great things with one word. I plan to do the same, and rule these lands.
Look, now you're just being stupid.
Am I? Am I really?
Yes.
Was I being stupid when I warned you of the fairy-killing toad monster?
Okay, so you may have saved all those fairies, but you're still being a prat. What are you still doing dressed?
Can't have torch sex naked.
Torch set? You're being a total idiot.
Maybe. Maybe. When a wasp comes and stings a hair on your head, don't come crying to me when you become a graphics designer. Okay, Ray?
God. Wait, where the hell are you going? Joe? What are you doing?
I'm saving the government from taxes.
What?
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 Why'd you have a pan on your head? Alright, dude, we've got to go out, okay?
One sec. Hello? Yeah. No, that's fine. Yeah, sure, here he is. It's you.
Okay, hello? Oh, what the hell? Skirt, dude, let's just go out. Oh, so you're coming out then?
No.
Why are you tying your shoes up?
So they don't tie me.
What? Seriously, man. Where the hell have you gone? Alright, skirt, dude, so we're not gonna get the book then. We'll just stay in.
What book?
You said you wanted to go get a book.
Alright, let's go then.
What?
Go on.
I can't be bothered now.
Well, you're going.
Alright then, since you got your shoes on and all. What a prat.